Hi guys, it's Katie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming the intro for my Rolling Project 10 pan, so if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, this is gonna be a year-long project pan, so some of these items I expect to take a really long time, and I will roll new items in once I hit my goals on the current items. So let's just get into it. The first item I want to work on is my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is something I want to finish. I have repressed this, and you can see I have a tiny bit of pan right there, but overall the layer is kind of thin on this. But this is something I would like to try to finish up completely this year. I've never finished up a whole entire bronzer, so that would be really cool. So I want to use this at least 7 times before the next update. The next product I'm focusing on is another bronzer. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. And again, this is something I want to use 7 times before the next update. I'm just focusing on the bronzer side here. And this is what it's looking like. It does have a dip, and I just want to hit pan on this one. So that is what this one is looking like. The next product I have is, let's see, just lost my page, is my Milani powder. And this is something I want to try to hit pan on. So I want to use this 10 times before my next update. This is basically new. This is what it's looking like. It has how many grams of product in it? It has 8.5 grams. So I don't know if that's a lot for a face powder, but yeah, I want to try to hit pan on that. Powder is not something I really use a lot, so this could be tricky, but I want to see if I like incorporating a powder into my routine. So I wanted to throw that in. The next product I have is a mini blush from Tarte. This is in the shade Party. And again, I want to use this at least 7 times before my next update. And this also already has a pan on it. So my goal is to try to finish this year. That could be a very difficult task. Again, I've never finished a blush, even though this is a travel sized blush, but that would be really cool to finish a full blush. So yeah, we will see, but there is that one. The next product I have is a setting spray. This is my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I actually don't love this setting spray, so I just want to use it. So I want to use it at least 15 times before the next update. I am right about here. So this is, I think, a mini size, and there's not that much left. So I want to work on this. The next product I have is a primer, and again, this is like a mini primer. I have a couple minis that I want to like work through. So I want to use this at least 10 times before my next update. And this second line is where I'm at right here. So I have more than half left of this. And I feel like a little goes a long way with this, so this could take a while to finish. But I do like this primer. This is the YSL Touche d'Eclat primer. The next product I have is a lip gloss. This is another mini. This is from Pat McGrath in the shade Divine Rose. It's what I'm wearing on my lips today. And I want to use this at least 6 times before the next update. This is really hard to tell where I'm at. I drew a line here. There's a lot of like windowing if I like move the brush around like this. But there's like a lot of product stuck up at the top too. So I really have no idea where I'm at. But when it settles down, it looks like it's about there. But again, there's a bunch of product stuck around the top too. So yeah, I have no idea, but this is, again, a mini size, but this will still probably take me quite a while to finish. And then the next product I want to work on is my NARS Lip Balm in Laguna, which I forgot to bring over, but I do have the lines written here. So I'm starting up at this top line, and this is like the end of the bottle. So I will track my progress next time. And I want to use that one at least 12 times. And again, that's a mini size product. And then the last product is also something I forgot to bring over here with me, but it's an eyebrow pencil from Urban Decay. And again, I have this marked. I have this much left of the brown pencil, and I would like to finish that. So that's quite a bit of brow pencil left. So yeah, those are all the products I have. That's actually not 10 products, it's 9. But I didn't want to throw in something just to throw in something. I want to make sure they're products that I actually want to use and work through. And my makeup collection has definitely like gotten pretty pared down over the years. So like I said, I don't feel like I have a ton of excess product that I need to pan and get through before it goes bad or anything like that. But I definitely do have some products that like I want to focus on that will take the majority of the year to finish, and other things that I want to cycle and rotate through. So yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. If you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.